Hey everybody, this is Living with Perks. We're doing something a little different today. I am going to be reviewing what's called a chaos box. So what a chaos box is a box full of all sorts of goodies. I have not opened this box. It is fully sealed, so I'm pretty excited about it. A friend of mine reached out to me, wanted me to go over this. What she said is this is what's considered their mini box. It's probably mostly sample sizes, I'm assuming. I'm not 100% sure. Everything in this box is up to about a $40 value for $29 free shipping. Like, that's pretty exciting. She only does 10 of these specific mini boxes a month. This month what she did was she had pick a star. I think they had different themes on them. I don't even know what's in this, so I guess I'm ready to open it up. All right. So in here, let's see what we've got. Looks like maybe some little stickers from her business. She is the chaos coordinator. So I'm pretty excited about it. Like, oh my gosh, let's get in here. So we've got, oh, looks like earrings. Some little pineapple earrings from Paparazzi. Here's some little pineapple earrings. Those are super cute. And from what I understand, I have had Paparazzi before and I'm pretty sure most of their stuff is hypoallergenic. So that's kind of neat. A little sign, bloom where you're planted. That's pretty cute, little wooden sign. I love handmade things. Oh man, who doesn't need these? Little mask, perfect. We got little Nightmare Before Christmas on the one side and Dora the Explorer on the other. Oh, and another one. How nice. These look well made, little masks. Those look like maybe they're kid sizes, and then it looks like we've got an adult size one here. So those are nice. I mean, everybody needs those right now because we're in a weird time. Oh, we got some hand sanitizer. This is just a little sample size hand sanitizer, pomegranate and vanilla scented. And a lollipop. My kids will probably fight over that. Let's see what else is in here. So we've got some different stuff in here. We got this little cup, some Renew Skin Therapy Lotion. I love this stuff. I already use it and it's incredible. And we got some, looks like, performance hydration drinks. I have yet to try these, but I'm pretty excited to do so. And then some little hand sanitizing wipes. I mean, we all need that right now. And then we've got, oh my gosh, I totally remember getting these when I was a kid and I was always so excited about it when my mom would order her Avon and they'd send the little samples of lipstick. I don't know, I thought it was so neat and they were always like just hideous colors, but times have changed, it's probably beautiful. Oh my goodness, it's like the neatest purple color. I'm not much of a lipstick wearer, but I'll try it on for fun someday. Oh my gosh, I've got all sorts of stuff. All right, and then we've got, looks like a bath salt. It's coconut, which coconut's my absolute favorite scent. And then a coconut lotion. They smell awesome. And then a vanilla lip balm. Oh man, this one's gonna be a fun one. We got some stuff from Pure Romance. So this one is a illuminating afterglow is what it's called, a serum. I guess it's probably just like a lotion of sorts. I love that everything has these own little special bags. And this one is from Young Living. I know that they're known for their essential oils. This one here, it's called Thieves Whitening Toothpaste. I have never used Thieves anything, but I have tons of friends that absolutely love everything Thieves and use it for cleaning and everything else. So, I mean, if it can clean your countertops, it better be able to clean your teeth. I can link a description below for the chaos coordinator, all of her information, and then she can get you in contact with all of these vendors and these small business owners. So the rest in here, it looks like just some pamphlets and an Avon book. So that is everything that came in my very first chaos box. And like I said, this was mostly just like the minis, sample size items, kind of just to try it out. Like I said, again, she only does 10 of these boxes a month. It sounds like sometimes she does like maybe little themes. Again, $40 worth of items for 29 bucks, free shipping. She only ships US. She does have some other available options. She's got a full-size box, which is $100 value for 69 bucks. Again, free shipping, US shipping only. I will be linking her Facebook page. I believe she's got another link that I will have in the description for ordering, and you can get in contact with her, order some boxes, and get some really neat things. I'm really excited to try all of this stuff. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and we'll see you next time.